So right now, I'm there in the day and I just feel hot. When the sun is outside, I can't even see it. Look at that, sun scorching outside, but you don't know Jamaica with they can't get rid of the heat. So right now, guess what I plan to do? I am gonna go get some coconut. So come along with me. Let's go get some coconut. Let's go. Yeah man, so we're there. Now the place, this is a yard I used to live before. As you can see, some work going on, they're building up. But that yellow part there is where I used to live. But anyway, yeah, we got a bush. Go pick coconut. So forward. Yeah. So I'm stepping at the bush now. And see what we can get. Coconut. Charge! Bombard! Man gonna leave me. I'm gonna way over to star. Yeah. See tree them there, guys. See coconut tree them there. Coconut up on tree. So we go over here so and go look. See if we can find some coconut right there. Pineapple. Oh bad. See that? Nice pineapple, eh? Coconut up on tree, where stick there? That? Hold it.
Stick, listen.
Hold it.
Yeah, because you're short, you come and work, you know.
I'm never any shot. I'm going to be I want jelly to drink.
Right there. So see I stick there in the way, just you see it. So we never left on the wrong. We never left on the wrong track.
Over the side.
Over the side there?
Yeah. Where's the never the power?
We never left on the wrong track when you come on the side. Where's the stick? Oh, then one I stick your broke up, man.
That's it. That's it, bro. I'm going to put one out. I picked them out. I couldn't get it down.
Wait, yeah.
Right, so ready?
Yeah.
You shot?
Yeah, you good man. Shall I see come again?
I'm shot, I want that.
Yeah man, I need a pan coconut too.
Coconut.
That's a dry one, you know.
I'm going to make a Sunday dinner. See that one over there? Oh.
Yeah.
I make a video. Come on. So we're there in the bush, coconut time. Jelly.
So you record from in China?
You don't see, you don't see a red sitting.
Yeah man, we see the pan red. In a big way.
Yo, coconut everywhere you. You want me to coconut then? can't pick the same one hands, man. We don't pick them one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't pick them.
Are them one they young?
No, they don't make the best native.
Okay, native.
Dry coconut.
Oh.
One thing dangerous for them place are what?
Yeah.
What?
Mm.
Yeah. So, put back this over here, so pick up them, eh? Yeah, them up on the front.
Yeah, that's it.
Next one, they're on this one.
Yeah.
Two. No, one. Right. One of them sitting there by it. So they were.
It's a bird pick off it, right?
Yeah?
It's a bird, man. That one. But me not see you.
Yeah? You need to see me. Coconut we are doing up on the country.
Go on. Yeah, mommy, I see you now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, bad thing. That is it. Now get them together.
This then. Go and walk on top of the pan and I eat it and start to know those and people and tap in the rest. That's why it's not on the wheel, is it?
It's suck of them now strive up a few place at all.
No.
Then we
They
carry
don't stand up there.
then we carry them like a waste of time.
Look at them up here, so standing.
So when you go a bush, so you have to do it, swing a load together. Me and bridge and swing a bag of coconut.
Yes, today.
Swing it. Yo, turn up in energy. Oh. We root it, Lord. What's up, brownie? Brown and black and whitey. Where you two up to?
Yeah, mama, we're good.
Let me see machete. Come wheel the machete. That's a country girl with a machete. You're not a country girl? You're a town girl? Wait, say a town girl? Okay.
Both of them, you have to carry into both of them. See me?
Yes, I want drink already. There's an apple tree. Any apple pine tree? This is an apple tree, guys. Not bearing right now, but when this bearing, oh my god.
Apple season just out, man. Some people sitting out here.
Yeah.
Apple season now.
When you go in them bush here, you know, man, some little burr. Itch up on your clothes. So. Yeah, man. Yo.
Chop it out now.
See there. Come. Fresh from the farm. Make sure you see Rasta cut one behind me, you know. In Jamaica, they say if you chop this and chop it lean, you're getting bun. And if you're chopping it straight, you're not getting a bun.
You know how that go?
Let's go. Let's see who getting the bun. One hand. You know me think me I get bun. Me feel like me I get bun, but me I try.
See if I try.
Ooh,
Near.
ooh, boy.
Near go so.
Look like my wife think about bun, but you know about that. Can't see that. Look like she think about it, but she know about that boy. Looking good.
Up there.
Ready to eat. Let us spoon. See that? That's called a spoon.
Watch it.
See that? Look. Let's see who I get. Let's see if the rest get bun. Me right! See it. You get bun. You get bun. You lean. Bun.
Bun, I still get one. So Jamaican set.
But yes, see that now? This is where you take out and eat. See how soft that jelly is in there? You go like this. See that?
You know what I mean?
Very nice. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Yeah? The rest of that eat see.
Nice, man.
Yes, sir. Love that.
Love that. Couldn't better.
Alright, bro. We are carry home the rest of now. Yeah. Okay, two go give mama a run, sir. And then we carry home the rest. See?
Thank you for yes.
Alright, so now go there in my YouTube video. No, man. You not tell me nothing, man. Huh? Not tell me about the red pine, yeah? Watch it. Look at that. Me find a pineapple, guys. Me find a pineapple. See one there? See that one there? Me find a pineapple. Look on a big one there. See that, guys? Look on that one there. Yeah, a lot of pineapple. This is a nice little farm. But focus of the day, pineapple. I find a pineapple and I get no. I find a pineapple. What me say? Thank you. What me tell you? Thank you for the mango. Thank you. Thank you. Now look and see it over there. And the people didn't talk about it, then go look. Look at it. No, sir. Yo, I'm grateful because I go plant the thing. What? Now look for the best part to plant it.
You know, if a man do a man to be putting a water and putting a one container with water.
It will go right. Go, open this for me. Open that chunk for me. Let me tell you, how far? I mean, don't you that? No? Oh. And this man come here, sir. Hold on. Where's the coconut? Come drop them in. Drop the rest of the bag in there. Brownie, watch it out the way. Yeah. You good?
See what I mean?
Oh, nothing more.
That's it.
Yeah?
No, but it's all you got to do the basic there.